students, welcome to e-learning classes. This is your computer period and we are doing revision of lesson number 2, that is input and output device. Today I will explain, or I will do device explanation of some input devices. So students, go through the video and watch it carefully, and after that I will give questions according to the explanation which you have to answer in the group. Lesson number 2, input and output devices. Today we will do revised explanation of this chapter, and I will explain this chapter in brief. First of all, what is input device? Input device are those devices which are used to enter data and information in a computer. Those devices which are used to enter data are known as input devices. Some input devices are graphic tablet. This is input device. This is the picture of graphic tablet, and it is a touch sensitive device. You can touch it and you can draw it on the screen by touching it, and it is generally used by artists, fashion designer, cartoonists, and they use this pen shaped device which is known as stylus, and with the help of stylus they can sketch on this surface, and it gives them the feeling as if they are drawing on a sheet of paper using this pencil or pen like device, and this is known as stylus. This device is also known as pen tablet. Graphic tablet is also known as pen tablet. Our next input device is light pen. This is the picture of light pen. This is light pen. It is a light sensitive electronic pen, and this device is used to point, select or draw picture by placing it on the monitor, and it is used in CRT monitors, cathode ray tube monitor, and it is commonly used by engineers, architects, fashion designer, and even teachers also use it while they are using smart board. This pen is used by teachers while they are using on smart board. After this, our next input device is barcode reader. Barcode reader. This is the picture of barcode reader. It is a handheld scanner, and it scans the lines or the bar. This is the vertical lines on which it contains the information of the product, such as its name, price, its packaging, its lot number. Everything is contained in these lines. It scans it and get the information about the product, and it is commonly used in markets, malls, shops. Everywhere we are using it. This is barcode reader. After this is Mica reader. Full form of Mica reader is magnetic ink character recognition reader. It scans the character which is printed using a special type of ink called magnetic ink. It scans these ink and which is printed on checks, and it is usually mainly used in banks. And here name of the at the bottom of the check there are check number which is printed using magnetic ink, and it is used, Mica reader is used to read these characters which are printed in magnetic ink. After this, our next input device is OCR reader. Full form of OCR reader is optical character recognition reader. It converts printed as well as typed text into a digital image which a computer can understand, and it can even change the handwritten text into digital one, and this is the picture of OCR reader. After this, our next input device is OMR reader, optical mark recognition reader. It is used to read a printed form with bubbles and boxes filled with ink or dark pencil on the OMR sheet. This is OMR sheet. It is used to read this OMR sheet, which is generally used in exams for answering in brief, and where objective type answers are used. This OMR reader is used to read this OMR sheet. After this, card reader. Card reader read data stored in a card, and there are different types of card readers. First one is memory card reader. This is the picture of memory card reader, and it is used to pass the information which is stored in a memory card. Nowadays, laptops comes with inbuilt memory card, and this is magnetic card reader, which is used to read information content in magnetic strip card like debit card, credit card. This is used to read this card, magnetic strip card. Then this is smart card reader. It used magnetic chip. It used tiny chip instead of magnetic strip. These are different type of card reader. These are also input device. Then next one is biometric device. This device is used to authenticate a person's identity, and nowadays smartphone and laptops also come with built-in biometric devices feature like fingerprint sensor, face recognition, voice recognition, so on. And this is the picture of biometric device, and this with the help of biometric device there is no chance of any type of fraud, and this is used where large number of employees are there, where large number of employees are there, and a large number of attendance is used for their attendance. It is used there, and so that there must be no chance of fraud. So students, today we have learned about some input devices. In our next video we will learn about output devices. So students, go through the video. Thank you.